Welcome to No Silly Questions, the show where we answer any question you have about Salesforce. I'm Gillian Bruce, and I truly believe there is no such thing as a silly question. So don't be scared to ask, and if I can't answer it, I'll get a Salesforce expert to help. Today, we've got a question from Christi. Christi, what's your question?
I'm Christi from outside Western Pennsylvania, and I want to know from Salesforce, when will you have adult costumes for Halloween? Because I want to be Astro or Ruth or Cody for Halloween.
Great question, Christi. That is indeed not a silly question. And in fact, I think I have just the right person to answer it for you. Chris, do you have an answer for Christi?
Hey, Christi, thanks for the question. I'm Chris Duarte. I'm coming to you live from the Bay Area here in San Francisco. And you know what I want to say to you? If you want to be Astro, don't let anything stop you. All you need is a piece of poster board and some paint, and you can become Astro, or in my case, DJ Astro. Check out my awesome headphones I have up here. And hey, you need some Astro supplies to go along with your homemade Astro costume? Hit up the Trailhead store. There's lots of cool Astro stuff there. So let your imagination run wild. Make your Astro head today. You can be Astro for Halloween this year. Thanks, Christi.
Well, that was an astronomical answer, Chris Duarte. Thank you so much for that. And thank you, Christi, for your question. Now, if you got that, it doesn't take much to dress up as one of your favorite Trailhead characters. Maybe it's just printing something out on a poster board and holding it in front of your face. Whatever makes you happy. All right, with that, if you've got a not so silly Salesforce question, please send them my way. You can find me on Twitter at Gillian K. Bruce or on the Trailblazer Community. And with that, I hope you have a great day, and we'll catch you next time in the cloud.